Yeah, that was close.
I tried. What's going on, guys? Today we are doing the sauce. You know it. I'm excited because you know what this is. I've done them before. Today we are doing an MTB unboxing, but not only are we doing an MTB unboxing, but we are finally doing an MTB Slam. Now, normally what an MTB Slam is, you take one of these boxes and you go out to a pond and you have to catch a fish on every single bait that's in the box. We're gonna be doing that today, but I'm doing it in a challenge mode, in a competition against my buddy Mike. I saved, I have a bunch of these from the last couple of months, and I saved one, put it aside for him, and then I took this month's, and we're gonna go head to head with 2 different mystery tackle boxes and see who can take the mystery tackle box crown. So before we get into that, I'm gonna show you guys, this is the May box right here. So if you guys don't know what mystery tackle box is, it's a monthly subscription company where you pay, you find the mystery tackle box is a monthly tackle subscription company. They have so many different boxes, from a pro to an elite to a beginner. You can pretty much get a box geared for your type of fishing or your favorite species to fish. They're out there. Check out the link below. But yeah, you basically pay a certain amount of money and they pretty much double your money in tackle every single month, and they're super sick. So we're gonna flip this guy open and I'm gonna show you what I got in this month's box. Open this box and you know the deal. We whip out the dibble card. So the dibble card is what shows you what's in the box. It's got all the goodies on the back. You can open her up. There's tips, there's tricks. It gives you information. Look, there's even crossword puzzles if you get bored. You flip over to the inside pocket. There's contests you guys can enter. Yeah, mystery tackle box, they're hype. They're cool. So yeah, we're gonna hop right into this box. So the first thing we got is an IMA little stick. I'm gonna find, it looks like this guy right here. So it's kind of like a spook. I've never seen this before. Is this a, yeah, it's Japanese domestic. So JDM spook, that's pretty sick. Everybody loves JDM fishing lures. This guy is rated at $10.99. So we're gonna kick it off with a banger already. Moving on to number 2, we have a football jig. I'm gonna fly that. So we got this saucy looking football jig by Perfection Lures. If you guys like, everybody likes slipping jigs, I can't complain. Again, another brand that I've never really used, and that's what's awesome about, mystery tackle boxes. They send you some of the best stuff on the market, but they also send you, or try to send you, things that you really don't use often, something that you've never seen before, and something just new to try out. So it's the best way to discover new baits, more or less. But the next thing we got, which is number 3, is a waggle worm by Ketchco. So we got these guys right here. Ketchco is actually a brand by Mystery Tackle Box. I really love their products. They haven't let me down yet. So this guy looks pretty good. It's just like a little worm. And this guy is $4.29. And yeah, so I'm feeling confident with that. Number 4, we got the Flickety Spit. Okay, the Flickety Spit. It looks like a little, it's basically, yeah, it's just a finesse hook. So I'm gonna say this is gonna be used to rig up this Pro Series worm. Just a little finesse hook. Why I only got one of them, I don't know. That's a little upsetting, but we need this to rig that up. So that's cool. That guy is rated at $1.49. Moving on to number 5, we got the Inquisitor, which is by Strike Pro. So we got a jerkbait right here. This is another banger we got. So this Inquisitor right here is $9.48. Already we're not even finished yet, but already, guys, this box right here, if you were to buy it, once a month, is $25. We already got $20 in baits just between this guy right here and this guy. That's crazy. So you guys, I'm telling you get hooked up. So yeah, we got a jerkbait, and that's this interesting color. That's pretty cool. Then we got a custom chatterbait right here, purple chatterbait. By Z-Man. Z-Man makes great products. Z-Man is pretty much all I use when it comes to chatterbaits. I love Z-Man chatterbaits. And this guy is $4.99. $5 for this dude. Then we got a Cream Lures Real Screamer, which looks like a little swim bait right here, guys. If you guys can see that. And yeah, this guy is $3.60. Cool little paddle tail swim bait. And last but not least, we got ourselves a little pocket pack of fishing soap. So when you guys' hands smell like trash from catching fish all day, ripping lips, it's really hard to get that fish smell off, and sometimes that bothers the heck out of people. I guess this is what's supposed to get it done. So yeah, that's basically what comes in the May box, guys. I'll do a little more into detail boxes as we get on with it, but we got an hour left to fish. So here's the competition. We got me versus Mike, who's on the camera right now. What's up, Mike? Thanks for filming for me. And we have a total of 7 baits, I believe, that come in these boxes. And here's the lowdown for you guys. I'm gonna put these away. So we each get a box. We go to one pond. We each get one rod, and within the time that we have from the sun, basically until sundown, because like I said, we don't have that much time left here, we have to catch a fish on every single lure in the box to complete the challenge. So the first one to catch, you know, a fish on every lure in the box wins. They take home what we're gonna call the MTB crown. And there might be a punishment to this. I haven't thought of it yet. If I come up with something, we might do it. If not, we might just do a little gentleman's bet. I don't know. What do you think? You ready, Mike?
Ready to roll.
I don't know why this won't close. There we go, but we will see you guys at the lake. Boom, baby. All right, we are here at the pond and we are about to get things started, but I realized I pretty much only showed you guys what I'm working with, so we're gonna switch over to Michael. Michael's gonna show you guys what he's got in his box, which is from a couple months ago, but just so you guys can see what he's working with, and then we're gonna go head to head in this MTB Slam challenge. And from here, we actually decided that the loser has to buy the winner Chipotle. We were going out to eat after this anyway, so we're gonna put a little twist on things. Loser's gotta buy dinner, and may the best man win. So Michael, let's show him what we got over here. And
in my box, I got a crank that looks like it dives pretty deep, so that'll be kind of rough in a pond. I got a runt, which I think I'm gonna start with because it looks pretty good. Tubes, which I never seem to have luck with, but maybe today that'll change. Just got some hooks, which I'm probably gonna use to hook up these swarms, which I've never seen once in my life, but we're gonna test those out today. And then got a black and blue jig, which is always clutch, and then a jerk bait. So
boom, baby. Seems like he doesn't have much confidence in his box, which means I'm gonna come out on top because it seems like, I know I only faced Michael and I've had my friend Tyler. I try to fish against people. We're gonna start a new thing, guys, here on Tightline TV. If you guys subscribers are in the Ohio area and want to fish against me in a fishing challenge, hit me up, go over to Instagram, DM me, or comment below. I want to start fishing against people, make this a little challenge because I haven't lost yet. So I'm getting cocky here, and you know, we're gonna get loaded up. I'm ready for my Chipotle, but we'll fish before. So here we go, guys. Timer starts now. We got from now till the sun goes down. First one to complete all 7 baits in the box wins. May the best man win, Mike. I know you got your hands full, but I'm gonna fist pump the box. Let's get it, baby. We're gonna grab my first. What am I gonna start with, man? I'm gonna start with a chatterbait. And we also made the rule, by the way. I know I didn't mention this earlier, but you're allowed to combine baits to knock 2 off, like kill 2 birds with 1 stone. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this paddle tail swim bait and tip it on this. I'm drawing a blank, oh my gosh, and tip it on this chatterbait, if I can get it out of here. Yeah, you cannot switch. Once you're tied up, you gotta stick with that one until you catch a fish, so. Pick your poison, buddy. Right now? I don't think so. I like chatterbaits, not that I like. Oh! What did I tell you? You were right. You were right. I don't know. Maybe I'll come back on it. I was about to pull out of the water. Yeah, you do. There's the fish. There we go, buddy. First lure out of the way, eh? Little guy. All right, guys, cool. Wow, this guy's got some sharp teeth. Barely hooked. There we go, guys. 2 lures down, actually, because I combined them. So 2 down, 5 more to go. Yeah, so this is also, I'm gonna be killing 2 birds with 1 stone. I kind of have to, so we're gonna take their finesse worm. I actually really like this worm. This worm is sick. And we're gonna throw this finesse bait on here like so. Pop her out. All right. Oh yeah, that'll work. That'll work just fine. is a struggle. I honestly thought this bait that I'm using right now was gonna be the easiest to knock out. But I guess not. Here's a bite. Got him. There we go. Yes. Ha 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 ha. There we go, Mike. All right, 3 baits down, or 4 actually. Come here. Come here. Barely hooked. There we go. I'm gonna toss him back. All right, baby. Whew. That felt good. All right. There we go. We got this guy out of the way, and we got that little jig gone. Oh, boom. Pop him off. All right, so left we have a jig, and we have a spook, and a jerkbait. All right, we're gonna use the jig, and here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take the swim jig. Actually, I'm just taking a new one. Take a fresh one out of here. I'm gonna tip this on my jig too, and try and swim this thing, even though it's a jig. It's not a swim jig, but it should still work just fine.
Well, Jordan's got 2 fish, and the runt is not attracting any.
We'll try it. I don't really know. Looks like something else, but I don't feel like jigging a 1/2 ounce jig right now, so let me see if we can pick a bass up swimming it.
There we go, baby. Woo-hoo! We got a runt fish. I love you, baby. Jerkbait next. Slow and steady. All right.
Alrighty, guys. I think we're about to call it quits. I think what we're gonna do, I'll go to the big camera when we get there. It's been one of those days. One of those days. Unfortunately, guys, we kind of failed this challenge. I mean, that's why it's the MTB, Slam challenge, because it's actually not easy to do. The baits they give you are great, but they don't work in every situation. That's just how fishing goes. So it is a challenge. I got 4 out of the 7 baits knocked out, ended up chucking 1 into the water, but hey, a deal is a deal. We were supposed to, the rules were supposed to be the first one to complete, the box wins, but obviously we didn't do that. So the next runner up was whoever got the most, which was your boy, So sorry, Mike. Once again, I take the gold. I'm gonna be wearing the MTB crown for now, and I'm gonna go get some Chipotle because I'm really stinking hungry. But yeah, guys, we're gonna try and do this more and more often as we move on into the summer. We're kind of moving into the spawn right now. Fish are moving up onto beds, so just fishing in general is starting to get tough, and it's gonna pretty much become sight fishing here pretty soon. But other than that, if you guys are new here, hit that subscribe button. I hope you guys enjoy these videos. If you guys like these, always let me know. And like I said, I'm actually considering doing this. If you guys are in the Ohio area, slide into my DMs on Instagram, or just leave a comment below if you guys want to do a fishing challenge against me. I think it'd be fun to just fish against subs or do something crazy like that. I don't know, because I'm pretty much, I literally don't fish against Mike all the time because I know it's an easy win. It's literally just, he's like my only friend that fishes. So and he knows what he's doing. He normally knows what he's doing. So I don't know why I always win, but all jokes aside, I'm not as cocky as I act. But until next time, guys, we will see you guys in the next video.